do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap. That email, I took a nap. Zoom call, I took a nap. What about your lunch plan? I took a nap. House chores, I took a nap. Home workout, I took a nap. Bath time, I took a nap. What about the egg